CHSN stock analysis. This is for next week. Super interesting. Is it a buy? I'll breaking all this down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, no one else in the space has come even close to having a 43,000 video track record over 5 years, and everything is documented. It's taken me tens of thousands of dollars investing in courses and mentors that everything changed. That once I've learned the skills, which obviously don't have to do, I'm just saying what I did, but ultimately just a bearish market for me. Like, I'm not even trying to be that bad guy, it's just the truth. Like, it's so close to even giving me a double break for a quick little sell side, you know what I mean? But again, it's not going to be valid unless there's the second range is clear and precise. So if this doesn't quite happen for the second break, then I'm not selling. And in the meantime, I will just continue to keep you updated. You know, what I'm not going to be doing is randomly selling. And if you want to stay tuned and get my daily market picks and emails to stay tuned and make more, click the first link in the description. It's free.